Tuscaloosa and Mercedes-Benz. That's been a perfect match for 21 years and counting. We are proud that Alabama is home to the Mercedes-Benz SUVs, and today we kicked off the production of our all-new GLE. With the same pride and passion, we are looking forward to producing batteries and fully electric SUVs in the near future.
Mercedes-Benz is setting up a strong and flexible global battery production network. And last year we announced that Tuscaloosa and Bibb County will be part of this global network. We are investing $1 billion into our plant in Alabama. We are preparing electric SUVs and the heart that beats in every electric vehicle, the battery.